With summers comes oranges is a retro statement. वो भी हमारी generation के लिए who's seen all fruits, all veggies, all 365 days. Dr. Ruchi, Ritucharya is something which is very important. Can you please tell our viewers about it?
Sure. So, Divya, first let me tell you what is Ritucharya. Ritucharya is eating with the season and with the region also. Because we have different seasons in different regions, so it is important that you eat according to the season in which region you live to get the best benefit of your fruits, maintain the best health and have good immunity to fight any infection which comes with changing seasons.
Ma'am, as we are experiencing the scorchy heat of the sun, lying in the corner of this country, can you please tell us some summer fruits and veggies which we should consume during this particular time period?
Sure. Summers, if I start, have majorly all the fruits and vegetables which is high in vitamin C and water content and zinc, of course. Because during summers we have to balance the body heat with the right amount of water coming from your fruits and vegetables. The iron content is better, so you're able to compensate whatever you are losing through your sweat or through your heat, and the vitamin C and zinc help you to fight infections which come with each changing seasons also. So it is important to have a better liver and a gut health by eating all high water content fruits and vegetables. The major fruits which are belonging to summer seasons are mango, the king of all the fruits, peaches, cherries, lychee, watermelon, muskmelon, and what else? A very important local fruit which is from our north, Himachal, Haryana, Punjab is loquat. So there are some fruits which come to your mind basically when the term summer fruits come. And if you just check, they are all high in water content, right? And they're very, very good for your gut and for the heat planning of the body.
Ma'am, it is good to know about the range of veggies and fruits which you just told about. Can we today focus only about Falon ka Raja, mango?
Yes, mango is one important thing we all should talk about because there is so much information flooding about mango and so many myths are also there.
The greatest being eating a mango will make me put on weight. No, I'll have acne when I eat mangoes.
Yeah. And the diabetic have a big fear. They keep craving for mangoes all of the season and don't eat. So I want to please tell everybody that mango is not an evil fruit or a bad fruit. It is as good as your apple. It is as good as your lychees. It is as good as whatever comes to your mind. Only the thing is, every fruit is to be eaten in right moderation, right amount and right timing. That is very, very important. We have to understand that how are you consuming a fruit. If it is mango is Raja of all the fruits. Why? Because it is very rich in so many nutrients and of course the carb also. But it is not that it only has sugar. It is very rich in good amount of fiber also. And B6 and the folate and the vitamin C. The folate which is usually not present in fruits make it very, very important for mango because folate is one thing which helps with your methylation process, and the B12 which comes only from the dairy and the non-veg is able to be absorbed well if your folate is rich. So mango helps to increase the component of this methylation process, and the B12 deficiency which is usually associated with people, those are vegetarians, can be taken care of if you eating the right amount of mango also during the season.
And when the word mango comes to our mind, the first thing we could crave for in summers is mango shake.
Yes. Of course, why not to drink mango shake? Only the thing is you need to be smart and choose the right ingredients when you make the mango shake. Always take care that you do not add non-required white and non-essential sugars to it. Mango itself is quite sweet and quite rich. If you add mango to your mango shake without sugar, you can always add less amount of milk to compensate the calorie content and the calories and the richness of the shake. You add some amount of water also to your mango shake or some ice to give bulk. 2 tablespoons of Gond Katira to your mango shake will add the volume
to make us feel fuller.
Yes, and the texture also, and balance the heat also. Gond Katira is well known by us to help your liver and body to manage the high heat during summers. So it helps you to give a fuller feeling. Sugar not at all required, please do not add. In fact, reduce the amount of milk to balance the sugar and add some water so the calorie content goes well. Add 200 to 50 ml to 300 ml of mango shake from a single slice of mango, which is 100 gram, is a complete craving, manager, and it gives you a good feeling. You had the season's best drink, and it's a very, very good snacking insertion also.
And then shifting to diet care nutrition, tip for eating kachi keri and not switching over to the other substitutes.
Yes, kachi keri is one important thing. It's very, very rich in vitamin C, and zinc and some fiber, which actually goes when the keri starts getting ripe. So you can always eat keri by having the ampana, which is so commonly known to us. But ampana has lots of sugar, so I'll give you the good substitutes for the sugar. One is shakkar, other is coconut sugar, which will give a very good flavor of coconutty to your ampana, and balance your high khattapan with some pudina. Right? Kachi keri can also be taken in the form of ambi ki chutney. To add sweetness, which usually people do by adding sugar, can be done by adding some onions. Right? Onion has a sweeter taste, we all know. So when you add onions in kachi keri, pudina, some adrak, some mirchi, and make a chutney out of it, sprinkle some amount of roasted jeera to it, and it's a complete immunity fighter, this whole chutney in itself.
And further, something which will be very tasty.
Yes, it is tasty. So it has pudina, it has ginger, it has green chilies, which is rich in vitamin C, and the kachi keri, which is rich in vitamin B12, and onions, which is going to help you fight all the infections and the flus and improve your liver health also. So it's itself, this chutney is going to give you so much of immunity, which is to be talked all around. So kachi keri can be included like this. And for diabetic,
how to reduce the GI of food, especially for the diabetic?
GI, I am trying to talk, we are majorly nowadays talking about glycemic load instead of the glycemic index. Glycemic load of the food is which we calculate in terms of the sugar spike, post the food, in terms of good carbohydrate in it, to the GI value of the food. Okay, so glycemic load can be managed by adding some fiber to your mango. It is very important that whenever you are eating mango, you should always try to include some good amount of fiber to it. For example, we added gond katira to it and added some little amount of water along with milk to manage the glycemic load of the food of your mango shake. Similarly, when mango comes to be eaten as a raw instead of shakes, you can always have it with more of the salads.
A slice of mango and then a bowl of salad.
Yes, a bowl of salad. You can always chop your salads with some mango. It will give a sweeter taste to it. The tanginess of the salads will go, and it gives a very good mixture of salt and sweet. Second things come is you can always add some pseudo grains like quinoa, flax seeds to your mango salads or mango whenever you eat, to give some soluble fiber and to reduce the glycemic load of the mango. So it becomes healthy option for the diabetic also. Only the thing is how much to be eaten. Never combine your mango just post your food, which is a common practice. Because mango already is good in carbohydrate. Post your food, your sugars are already high, because we have a habit of eating a lot of carb in our main meals also, in form of chapati, rice. So mango post food is not a very good option. It is a very good option if inserted within the meals, which is almost 1.5 to 2 hours of gap. So evening snack is a good option, mid-morning snack is a good option, or early morning fruit option is a good one slice of mango.
So eating local is something which is tasty, nutritious, something whose shelf life will be very less, because we are not to store it. This is something which is readily available and further pocket friendly.
It's already everywhere. Why do we need to store mangoes?
So the Falon ka Raja mango stands true to its image being called the Raja.
Sure it is. So eat your mangoes in the right amount, right time and right combination.
Stay healthy, stay fit. Thank you.
Thank you.